Hello there, this is Miss Ava, and this is going to be your first quiz, your safety first quiz for Fishing Fun. This quiz only has 5 questions that you'll have to answer. The first question is, who should take you fishing? You have 4 options. You can only click one of the options, decide, or you choose whether it should be your big sister, your parents, your little brother, or your pet dog. Choose whichever one you think is correct. When you're done choosing, scroll down to the next question. Question number 2 is, which item can be used to protect your eyes? Now, this is a question where you can choose more than one answer. It's called check boxes. So you can check the box or check the sunglasses, the baseball cap, the umbrella, or gloves. Click as many as you think you can use. When you're done clicking, scroll down to the next question. Question 3 is, do you need to bring a life jacket when you go fishing? There's only 2 options here. Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Click whichever one you think is correct. When you're done clicking, scroll down to the next question. This one is, who do you call in an emergency? In case something bad happens, you want to get some help really fast. So if you have your cell phone, then you can dial, which number on your cell phone would you dial? 411, 611, 999, or 911. Choose whichever sequence of numbers you would dial on your phone. When you click the answer, then you scroll down to the last question. The last question is about the casting, the way you should safely cast your line, which is the safest way to cast a line. We practiced that on the Jeopardy game, remember? You have a fishing pole, and you've got 4 options here. The overhand cast, an underhand cast, a sidearm cast, or an underarm cast. Which one did we practice during the Jeopardy game? Just click on one of these options to answer the question. Since this is the last question, when you're done clicking, you're finished the quiz. See, no more questions. So you can exit at that point. Thanks for listening, and good luck on your quiz.